Karnataka Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar held a crucial meeting with senior officials of the Union Ministry of Jal Shakti and the Ganga Legal Board in Delhi on July 27th to discuss important water resource and drinking water projects related to Karnataka's share of water. The high-level meeting was held at Karnataka Bhavan in Delhi, where detailed discussions were conducted on legal strategies and technical preparations to protect the interests of the state. During the meeting, the current status of several key irrigation projects was reviewed, including the long-pending Mekedatu balancing reservoir project, which aims to provide drinking water to the people of Karnataka, and the Mahadayi river water dispute, a major water issue concerning North Karnataka. The officials discussed the progress of these projects, the legal challenges involved, and the steps needed to strengthen Karnataka's position in ongoing water-related matters. The meeting was attended by Karnataka Minister Ramalinga Reddy, Karnataka Government's Special Representative in Delhi T.B. Jayachandra, and Karnataka Advocate General Shashikiran Shetty, who provided important legal advice on the issue. Senior officials including Water Resources Department Additional Chief Secretary Gaurav Gupta, Chief Minister's Secretary Nakul, and Technical Advisor Jai Prakash also participated in the meeting. Officials from the Legal and Water Resources Departments shared updates on the progress of the projects and explained the technical aspects involved. Meanwhile, discussions on Cauvery water sharing and the Mekedatu project have gained importance ahead of Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Joseph Vijay's visit to Karnataka on August 3rd. President of the State Farmers Association Federation, Kuruburu Shanthkumar, has suggested that both states should focus on dialogue and cooperation to resolve the decades-old Cauvery water dispute. He said that a friendly discussion between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu would be more effective in resolving the issue rather than relying only on Supreme Court judgments. He stressed the need to develop a scientific distress sharing formula based on the actual water availability in reservoirs during drought and shortage years. He also stated that ensuring drinking water security for Bengaluru and industrial regions should be given top priority. He suggested forming a joint technical committee involving both states to make decisions based on scientific data and ground realities. He further asserted that Tamil Nadu should be informed about how the Mekedatu project could help store the additional 250 TMC of water that flowed into the sea last year and use it during drought situation. Calling for a peaceful solution, Shanthkumar suggested that both states should also consider changes in cropping patterns and work together to resolve water sharing issues through mutual understanding. So viewers, what's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.